Okay, so we're back for part two. Now, further on from the belt kit, we'll get on to what was in the Bergen, or the patrol pack, whatever you prefer. So let's start with the clothes. Now, what we need here is just a full body cover. Is it camouflage? You're going to need camouflage. Do you want to be plain clothes? Again, your choice, your area, your bugging out procedure, whatever you're comfortable in, but check they fit, check the moths don't fit holes in them. A warm set of gloves. Now I've got gloves in the webbing, they're more waterproof, stronger, but these are warm for sleeping in, fluffy. A shemagh, more like a face cover, you know the style, you can look like Lawrence of Arabia or something. But they're very warm, very practical, many uses. There's also a sling there. Break your arm, tourniquet, carry stuff with it, anything you want. Now I've got a Xiaomi Noise on top, a bit of shit in there. Again, I find these really warm, I swear by them. I wear them under my clothes at work, great stuff. Then we've got a fleece jacket. You've seen the combat jacket, that's different, that's more of a out operating sort of thing, but for in camp, sleeping, that sort of thing, just general downtime, a warm, dry fleece jacket. Boots, you need a decent set of boots. You don't want to be bugging out in flip-flops, trainers, whatever. These are desert boots, they're probably not the best. That Mendel, I could do a review on these one day if you want, but very comfortable. They are sometimes my general walking around in the street boots. You can tell by the mud, but they'll be alright for bugging out. I've had them wet before, no problems with them, but boots, everything is your choice. I prefer these. A decent makeshift shelter. This is a great big sheet shelter, canvas. I'm going to cover over with foliage, that sort of thing, or find a building. I don't know. I am between shelters at the moment. But at the moment, this is what's in there. I think it's German, to be honest with you. While we're on the subject, with clothes, I've got a camouflage sort of covert type thing going here. But I am getting together like some civilian looking jumpers, civilian looking trousers, just so you can look like a general member of the public. Also, the patrol pack does have a cover that goes over, so it takes the camouflage look away from it. Move on to food. Now I've got various military type rations here. I'm going to need to change out some of these now. In that tin, 2018 August, gone. We got all these pilchards and things. I'll go through the dates, but check the dates. Zippo lighter. This does need fuel in it, but it does spark. I just got no petrol, but you'll find something to stick in there. A cooker. I have a cooking system and a box of matches. Now you notice I don't have any fuel blocks in here. It's because I've run out, but they're going to run out anyway, no matter what you do. So I'd use kindling sticks, any natural fuel, something I have a lot of, but I'd only use this in a down situation, not all the time. So if I'm cooking something like, I don't know, it depends on the situation, but I'd rather cook with a hole in the ground or something, or a bushfire, rather than, if I'm trying to keep it a bit covert. Again, depends on the situation. That's your answer there. Now a decent set of cooking tins. These are mess tins, very strong, perfect. You get one small one, one big one, they fold up, they go inside each other. You can even get the cookers in here. This is how they are stored in the bag. Normally with a tea towel, but you can get a lot of stuff, saving the room in there if you need to. Space is the key. The more space you got, the more stuff you can take that you might need. really important, a decent first aid kit. Now this is a good one. I beefed it up a bit. It comes standard, but I beefed it up. Extra gloves, blankets, tape, saline solutions, there's scissors in there, there's tweezers in there. God, there's fucking everything in there. It's a first aid kit, but if you've got things like inhalers, pills that you need, make sure you stock this up with that sort of thing. Everyone's first aid kit can be different as well as the clothing option, the food option, so make sure you cater it to you and the people around you. Any tablets you do in there, having they're topped up, they're the right day, everything's in order, you're good to go. Set of gloves. Now these are fingerless fishing gloves. Had them for many years, but the fingers fold in, they're multi-purpose. You know, they're good for operating rifles, stuff like that. If you need these for your fingers, you know, these are waterproof to a degree. I mean, I've repaired them with sniper tape many a time, but they work, they're good. They do what I want, and as you saw in the webbing, there's pellets. I've also got another 500, another 500, so that's 1,500 pellets. I think I'm alright for ammunition. Now you'll notice there's no waterproofs in here. I don't intend to get wet on purpose, but if I do, I'd have spare dry clothes. Also, no sleeping bag. Now, the reason there's no sleeping bag, there was, but it was a tropical sleeping bag. It wasn't working for me, so I am currently on the lookout for a very small, light, all-weather sleeping bag, but keep you posted on that. Yeah, there's still bits to add to this. Rifles. Now you're seeing this transform from crap to quite decent. Bug out 2.2, spring operated, works off atmosphere, so I don't rely on gas canisters, anything like that. Probably not the most powerful in the world, but we'll go for a metal bucket, so we'll certainly take down squirrels, pigeons, small game, rats, anything you want, and that is what it's for. Fitted with a Gamo scope, pads for the lights, lasers, everything, fitted with sling, tripod, the lot. So yeah, hence the pellets. So yeah, that's just a rundown of kit, what to look out for. Just check, double check everything's working, make sure you've got the tools for this if you need to repair it. Just general maintenance, that's all it is, and also a rundown of what I've got so far. Things missing, you can suggest anything that I ain't suggested, let me know. You know, it all helps, all here to learn. You may have learnt a few things from this. So, thanks for watching, Ammo out.